Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to log into your Microsoft Outlook account using the mobile app on your Android device. First, open the Microsoft Outlook app on your Android phone. On the welcome screen, tap Add Account if you're adding it for the first time. But if you don't already have an account, then tap Create New Account. Now here, enter your Outlook email address. So here it might end in @outlook.com, @hotmail.com or @live.com. Now tap continue. You may need to enter your account password and simply tap sign in. In my case, my device recognizes my account, so I didn't have to. If you have two-step verification on, you may need to confirm via SMS or app. Grant the necessary permissions for syncing emails, contacts, and calendar by tapping allow. And that's it. You are now logged in and ready to send, receive, and manage emails in Outlook on your Android device. If this video helped, give it a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.